After getting no sleep for 3 straight nights, I found a homemade relief cough from TikTok.
Entisia walea. Ninumien betina bumsa. Ungo fi. Lamizmin go fi. Eyene bayilo. Yedu maketwa.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And as usual, we are here to try remedies to see if they do really work. Join me and let's find out. So I have my orange, my honey and salt. As you can see, we are cutting at the bottom of the orange. We then place our orange in a bowl. So over here we are poking our orange with fork or anything you can get. Now what they are womb. And here we are trying to sprinkle salt on top. We then place back the top that we cut earlier. Now you come microwave for 2 minutes. Make sure say bowl na wodi shemono a microwave safe. I want to show baby. So after 2 minutes, now you add the frame. Ish add ye oh wash papa. Hey, make sure say obemana cool down once and away you so what I say because pa until hano we are getting all the juice out. Ye insuring in every frame. Aha, ye me. Now you add the honey, a war, kakra be gum. Now one num kama. Until we are no way ni the be use no. This is what we are going to use. And I'm not gonna lie, this remedy right here really works. Hey, yeah, too skegu pa. Yeah, Juma papa. What do you try, mommy? What it? Name mommy who comment section now say yeah, Juma mawana sa nye Juma mawa. Until we meet again. Love you all. Stay blessed. Bye y'all. Mwah.